Hello everyone! Today is another unboxing of this acrylic leather paints that I ordered at Amazon.ca. I got this today and I'm so excited to open it to all of you. It's so early as I expected. So this is my first Angelus leather acrylic paint. Let's try and open it. So this is the Pearlescent Prince Purple, Pearlescent Rose Gold, Pacific Blue, Sterling Silver, the Riot Red, Emerald Green, and the 18K gold. It's the Angelus Acrylic leather paint, and it's 4 ounce in 12 pieces. This is the yellow, the gold, flat white, purple, and blue, red, silver, orange, the green, the hot pink, the flat black, and the fire red. So this is 12 sets. This paint cleans up easily with soap and water. As you can see, the colors are so pure and rich, and I can mix all the colors between each other to achieve shades that I want. So I will be doing a demo painting of my bags. So I'm excited to use this on painting bags and some sneakers shoes. So thanks everyone for staying with me, and I'd see you again on my next videos. Bye!